We back at Kroger's. Job shadowing and shit today. You know what I'm saying? Go get the new merch though. You know what I'm saying? Red Flag Podcast, new shit. Let y'all see that shit. We got multiple colors and shit, but all right, what's up, y'all? Today I'm about to be in here. I'm the best Kroger's employee that Kroger's has ever seen. So I got my job at Kroger's, but today I want to recruit all the people at Aldi's to come to Kroger. So let's just do that. Y'all know Kroger's got some better sour cream.
Yeah. Sour cream?
Yeah.
Kroger. Are you videoing me?
He's not videoing. That's a translator for me. We're with Kroger's.
Okay.
And we just going.
Oh, you're from Kroger's coming to a different store.
Yeah, we're just recruiting more customers. You know how that goes. You know what I'm saying? So, do you guys got a Kroger's Plus card?
I do.
Okay, you guys already signed up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I usually go to Kroger's. We're just right now for the week.
Okay, so next time just come to Kroger's. We're a little bit more better.
All right, we will.
All right, thank you. We're gonna get more customers. One customer at a time. Excuse me. You work here?
Yes, I certainly do.
Okay, well, I'm with Kroger's.
Okay.
So we was just employee recruiting. We were just seeing if you will come over there.
No.
Why not? It's a better grocery store. We got better benefits. Do you guys have any point systems here? Yeah. As far as with like your customers, how do you reward your customers when they shop?
You know what? Let me get you a manager real quick.
Okay, let me get a manager.
Casey, can you come down 5 minutes?
What Kroger's do you shop at when you shop?
Actually, I don't really go to Kroger's. I go to Kroger's to pick up stuff for my grandma.
You don't shop personally at Kroger's? Okay. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Alex, okay. We're just getting more employees to come to Kroger's. We're trying to work. I'm a Kroger recruiter.
I definitely am not entirely excited about being on here.
Oh, it's not a camera. That's a translator. Where's the manager? Okay, I'll find her. Do you shop at Kroger's?
What?
Do you guys shop at Kroger's?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you really be willing to empty your whole cart to shop at Kroger's today?
For what?
We'll give you a couple extra fuel points.
More fuel points?
Yeah, to shop at Kroger's and empty your whole cart.
Not for fuel points, because what I spend there in a month usually gets me $1 off anyways.
So you wouldn't be willing to empty your whole cart to shop at Kroger's today?
Not for just fuel points.
We're offering food stamps too.
Well, that's illegal.
No, it's not. We teamed up with the government too. I'm a Kroger recruiter. Mm-hmm. We just went around different grocery stores recruiting for Kroger's.
So how are you allowed to do that?
I would opt you into the program, and we would sign you up, and then you would go to Kroger's, and then you would give them the number that I give you, and you would get the food stamps, and you would get your fuel points to empty your whole cart.
I don't know. It just doesn't sound legit. I'm sorry. You can't do that.
Oh no, I'm a Kroger's recruiter.
Yeah.
I was just saying, would you like to work for us instead of working for Aldi?
I would not. But you can't do that here.
Do what?
What you're doing.
Recruiting?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just about to check out you guys' different products to see which products is versus ours, you know. So I'm a Kroger's recruiter, and then so we just run around here and we just check out different grocery stores so we can better our grocery store. So what would be your favorite product here, like that you would say is like highly?
You also can't be recording in here.
Oh, he's not recording. He's just a translator. He's deaf.
Okay.
So we're just going around checking out different products and different things. Do you guys offer 2 liters of soda?
We do.
So where would that be at?
Along the back there.
Along the back, okay.
Sir, you can't do that.
I'm just checking them out.
Yeah.
I'm buying them with the food stamp card.
Okay.
Do you guys accept food stamps here?
We sure do.
Okay.
Hey, Alex.
Hey.
Can you go in the office and get my phone?
All right.
Sure will.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Check the 2 liters out. So today we got to get somebody to empty their cart to come shop at Kroger's. Excuse me. So we offer 401k.
Give me just a second.
Okay. She's calling a cop on Kroger, of course. The more people they recruit. Let's go ask him. Excuse me, sir. Would you be able to empty out your whole cart to come shop at Kroger's today?
No.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
All right. Thank you. Would you be willing to empty your cart to come shop at Kroger's today? Would you be able to empty your cart to come shop at Kroger's today? We offer food stamps. No? Okay. Let's figure out. Oh, what's up? Oh, no, I'm just.
What's up?
I'm Kroger's recruiting right now, so I'm just getting a couple people to shop at Kroger's instead.
All right. How you been doing?
Y'all want to shop at Kroger's instead?
Fuck no.
Fuck no. Me neither. We offer fuel points. All right. Come on. We can't get no employees here today, so let's just skedaddle out of here. What's up, bro? Not much.
Yeah. No, sir. Roll out.
Okay.
Good, dog.
Not much.
You recording?
No, we're not recording. That's a translator. Yeah.
So you get a couple people questions.
Oh, crap.
I was looking like, yeah, right.
Oh, man. Damn, they knew who I was. I was trying to do some fuckery. Never mind, dude. Oh, that under the rainbow shake looks pressure, don't it? You see that? Under the rainbow shake. Looks fire. Nigga, you are deaf. Huh? So that's not a shake. That
It
under
is
the
a shake.
is it ice cream?
Yeah, yeah. It's a milkshake. But it gets all that stuff inside it too.
So
Like
what's-
together.
So what's in it?
Kiwi strawberry slush flavoring, strawberries.
Flavoring?
Yeah, the mixed in slush flavoring.
Okay, it's flavoring.
Yeah.
Not slushy.
No.
Okay, so what is it
With
again?
milk, vanilla ice cream, rainbow sprinkles, strawberry topping, and the kiwi strawberry flavoring.
Can I get a sample? I won't like it. Okay. Can I get just a chili cheese sauce?
Yeah, along with
Regular?
regular coney cheese,
Yup.
Yeah.
Yup.
onions.
Yup.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah. Do you want something? All right. Hi, YouTube. Nah. Nah, I'm playing, but you know what I'm saying? A little food review. Got me a little chili dog, a little Dairy Queen. Want to see what it's here for. A little comfort. You see it? You know what I'm saying? Got the shit in the inside of the box. Always got to start with the inside of the box. I'll pick it up. It's sweet, though. I don't think it should be this sweet. A little bit of salt and pepper, but shit. Let's see what it's in for. Also, it's hot. Excuse me. I have to edit this out so the mic drops. I don't even have it fucking taped to me today. With some cheap shit. Okay, but back to. I mean, it's pressure. The onions hit. They fresh. Bread soft. Yeah. Mm. It's real hot though. But so far, it's definitely I'll give it about a 7. It's pressure though. Let's put a little 6.5, 7 out of 10. With pressure. I liked it. My Dairy Queen. Trying Dairy Queen hot dogs. All right, we on Red Flag Podcast, man. Go check out the new merch, man. New merch. We got all different colors. We got red, white, gray, black. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up on IG, Snapchat, any type of social media to get the new Red Flag Podcast t-shirts. So, get with y'all in a minute.